Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Hyundai Tucson wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface for safety. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade down and off the J-hook or pin. It should detach easily. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm firmly to prevent it from springing back and hitting your windshield, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new wiper blade's connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the blade on until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any impact. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe the blades as they move across the glass. They should provide a clear, streak-free wipe. For best visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your Hyundai Tucson's wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking or chattering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.